Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about how the emergence of a powerful model such as GPT-5 can change the approaches to creating chatbots and various LLM systems. We will discuss multi-agent systems, current agent creation methods and emerging AI capabilities, and the economic benefits of switching from GPT-4 to GPT-5. Let's get started. First, let's look at the current situation with the creation of chatbots and LLM. Today, many small companies use ready-made models developed by large companies such as OpenAI, Google and Microsoft. The introduction of such models helps small companies automate tasks and improve customer service without having to develop their own AI from scratch. But it is worth noting that the introduction of these technologies requires certain investments, especially if you take into account the need to hire specialists, such as prompt engineers. From an economic point of view, it may be difficult to completely abandon such methods, because they have already proven their effectiveness. But recently a Microsoft conference was held, where Sam Altman made a presentation about announcing the GPT-5, the main idea of which was that the new model will be much smarter than all previous ones. Let's see how this can affect modern chatbot architectures. Now let's figure out what multi-agent systems are. These systems consist of several interacting agents that work together to achieve certain goals. They are especially useful for managing unstable models, guiding them in the right direction. However, with the advent of powerful models such as GPT-5, these systems may become less necessary. You see, GPT-5 can independently organize the request processing process and perform the necessary actions in the most efficient manner, which can make multi-agent systems obsolete. But perhaps multi-agent systems will still be in demand in certain scenarios, and avoiding them may be not as easy as it seems. Now, let's talk about the current methods of creating agents. One of the popular methods is chain of thought. This method involves breaking down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps, which allows the model to produce better results. Perhaps this method will continue to be in demand as it has proven its effectiveness in a number of applications. Another important method is self-discover. This method simulates human problem-solving strategies and works into two stages. At the first stage, the model makes up a coherent reasoning structure peculiar to the problem, using a set of atomic reasoning models and example of tasks. In the second stage, during decoding, LLM follows the self-discovered structure to arrive at a final solution. This method has also shown good results, and it may be difficult to abandon it given its potential. Although, if you think about such a large language model as GPT-5, is there such a possibility that it be sufficiently developed to choose the right reasoning structure for solving the task itself? Will she need classifiers that send a request to one of the branchers with the instructions? Will she need a predetermined order of thoughts? We don't know, but we can talk about it, and we should. On the way to the singularity, there are a whole host of possible developments that can come into our lives. Our task is to try to anticipate it, because whoever owns the information owns the world. Interesting one. The animation. As AI models such as GPT evolve, we see the emergence of new abilities, which are called emergent. There are complex functions that arise when models reach a certain size and complexity. For example, large models develop abilities such as ability to reason, build cause and effect relationships, and even explain jokes. These emerging abilities can continue to evolve and become more useful, which can make it difficult to transition to completely new approaches. To illustrate this, let's look at this visualization. As you can see, as the number of parameters in the model grows, it begins to develop various abilities, from arithmetic and code completion to logical chains and common sense. This tree shows how these abilities expand and intertwine as the model becomes more advanced. Now companies using GPT-4 are often forced to hire prompt engineers to optimize the operation of the model, which can be quite expensive. With GPT-5 we can expect significant changes. A more powerful model that can handle complex tasks on its own can significantly reduce the need for prompt engineers, which will lead to significant savings. For example, tasks that previously required extensive configuration can be solved with GPT-5 out of the box, which makes the transition cost effective. But again, it is possible that some companies will continue to use the old methods because of their reliability and proved effectiveness. And the conclusion of my video. As a result, we looked at how multi-agent systems may become unnecessary with advent of GPT-5, discussed current methods such as chain of thought and self-discover, studied the emergent abilities of AI, and assessed the economic benefits of switching from GPT-4 to GPT-5. Personally, I believe as AI models evolve, we will see more of them in business processes, which will increase efficiency and accelerate innovation. Thank you for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to my channel to see the new topics. See you later.